Bluetooth smartwatch fitness tracker, touchscreen smart wrist smartwatch supports SIM South Dakota card slot make answer phone camera pedometer compatible Android iOS Samsung LG for women men kids, black. 2 working model, Bluetooth model, connect the Wise watch to your phone through Bluetooth, after that you can make and also respond to reply, phone and site text, view application alerts and so forth. SIM card version, if you mount a GSM 2G 2.5G network SIM card right into the Wise watch, you can utilize it as an actual phone, consisting of answering as well as dial-up, send reply messages, take images, play music etc. Multifunctional smart watch, image visitor, music player, sound recorder, need put as well as South Dakota card calculator, alarm clock, calendar, camera, 0.3 m. Pedometer, sleep monitoring, less active remind, calories counter, workout mileage counter, aiding you change yourself for a much healthier lifestyle. Sync function, just link the clever watch with your phone using Bluetooth, then download and also set up the app so you can check out WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook and also various other application push messages, view as well as reply text. The time and also date will certainly be instantly integrated. For iOS system, it not support SMS as well as app feature. Super compatible Android and iOS, this smartwatch incredibly suitable with most Android and also iOS phones, such as Apple iPhone X8 8s Plus 7 7s Plus 6X Plus 6s 6s Plus 5 5s, only supports partial functions. Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, S6, S6 Edge, S5, Samsung Note 8, 5, 4, Google Pixel Pixel XL, HTC, Sony, LG, HUAWEI, ZTE, and so on cellular phones. 100% satisfaction by without threat. If you have any concern regarding 321 OU smartwatch, please call us. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.